Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Mercedes-Benz SL400 on a 66 plate. As you can see, I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a two-door convertible car, of course, with alloy wheels. I'm going to start off inside its boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, given the nature of this vehicle. When you want to have the roof down, this cover will come down into place. The roof will sit above that, giving you a boot section underneath it. Okay, so we've just got to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the entire way around. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, you can see the digital readout for the speedometer in that central section first of all. Above that, it will show you what gear this car was or is in. It's an automatic, so we are, of course, in park currently. Whatever gear you go into, it will show you up there. You can change information displayed in that central section. For example, you can see the total miles of the car there, 19,280, and then lots of bits of trip computer and fuel economy information back around to the beginning again, and that is done with the buttons just here. We have our stereo phone controls, the plus and minus pedals you can change up and down again manually with this automatic gearbox, and then into the center, the main screen for the car. So we're on the radio menu at the moment. This car has got DAB, FM and AM radio, as you can see. The movement I'm currently making on the screen, I'm doing so using this dial just here. You can press the buttons on this main unit, for example, radio, media, where you'll then be able to listen to your own music, but essentially the dial can do everything for you. So you'll see on here, we've got a CD player, memory card input, media interface, two of those in fact, Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. We've also got satellite navigation. Really nice clear color display, very, very easy system to use as well. You can, of course, pair up your phone, and then we have a vehicle settings menu at the very top just there. Working our way down from that, we have that main unit with the volume for your stereo, the CD player, the ability to answer and end phone calls here as well. We have a heated driver's seat, heated passenger seat. We've got the ability to heat your neck on the driver's seat, and the same for the passenger. Traction control. We have hazard warning lights, parking sensors you can turn on and off. And then below that, dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the temperature inside the car, fan speed up and down, air conditioning on and off again from here. We can open up this section to reveal two cup holders, the dial that I explained or talked about just a moment ago, and then we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. Underneath this cover is where you'll open the roof, which we're going to do next. So the first thing you'll notice before we even open the roof is that we have a glass section. We have a sunblind that you can pull over here should you wish to, but otherwise the glass section will of course let in loads of extra light to this cabin area. So open the roof, you lift up that silver button that we were looking at just a moment ago. The tailgate will open up, which you can see it doing in the background just there. And then the roof section will open into that tailgate, into the top of the tailgate or inside the boot section before the boot lid will close and the windows will go up again, and that's it. Very, very quick and easy. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. In the envelope here is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have, of course, got the V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new. Loads of service records underneath there, a few of which I've grabbed out to show you here. So these are from Mercedes-Benz themselves as a digital printout. You can see just there, the last service was done in April of this year, and you've got 24, 23 there, 22, and as I say, loads underneath that, but those ones have got names and addresses on. More than happy to run through those in person though, of course. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.